All right, guys, here we go. This is what we're looking for. Dead spruce tree. You can see all the sap. This tree bled to death. It was infested with Japanese spruce bark beetles. It's an invasive beetle here that's killing like every third or fifth tree in this forest. So there's a lot of standing deadwood. That's a big wildfire hazard in the summertime. We're going to thin that out and get a year's supply of firewood all in the same go. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of wood. I think it's time to start stacking some more.